Hello and welcome to the Roto Revolution Challenge! Phew, glad that stopped. So, we have two teams today. There's Batman, the Joker, Superman, Aquaman, Wonder Woman and the Flash for Team DC. And Ultron, Wolverine, Captain America, Spider-Man, Black Widow and Iron Man for Team Marvel. And we have a very special judge today. It's...
me, Hulk.
What? Hulk, you can't be a judge. You're part of Team Marvel. Even though you can't race because you don't fit, it wouldn't be fair for you to be a judge. Yeah, and our real special judge is actually McQueen.
Oh, please, I'll be fair.
Oh, go on then. So, each car will compete against someone on the other team, and whoever falls off the track first loses, and the other car wins a point for their team.
So let's begin. First up, it's Batman vs Wolverine. It's spinning, so the competition can start. In goes Batman. He made it! So here comes Wolverine too. Oh, both of them fell, but Batman fell off completely, whereas Wolverine only fell back onto the track. So he earns a point for Team Marvel. Next, it's Superman vs Captain America. Oh no, Captain America has missed it! That wasn't an opening. So Superman only has to make it into the middle to earn his team point. Oh! How has he done that? Does that count as being on the track? Judges?
What do you guys think?
No way, that doesn't count.
Actually, I think it does.
What?
Yeah, we think it counts too.
Fine.
Okay then.
Well done, Superman. You've earned a point for Team DC. Now it's Wonder Woman versus Black Widow. Wonder Woman's in. Oh, Black Widow didn't make it! Actually, Wonder Woman brilliantly blocked Black Widow from coming in. Very clever. So that's another point for Team DC. It's the Joker versus Ultron now. Ultron's in. Oh! As soon as the Joker entered, Ultron fell out. The Joker fell out too, but he was the last one on the track, so earns Team DC a point. Now it's Aquaman versus Spider-Man. Aquaman's in, but he's fallen out already. And there goes Spider-Man. Judges, who wins?
Guys?
Spider-Man was last on the track, so he wins.
I agree.
Okay then, Spider-Man wins.
Nice one, Spider-Man. So now the score is 3-2. It's all down to this one. If the Flash wins, then Team DC win overall. But if Iron Man wins, it's 3-all, and we'll have to have one final race. Oh, and the Flash has mistimed it completely. He didn't make it, and Iron Man did, so Team Marvel get the point. So the score is 3-3.
So now each team gets to pick someone to represent them in one final race. Winner takes all.
Team DC have gone for Wonder Woman, and Marvel have surprisingly gone for Ultron. They're both in. Ooh, so close. Oh, and Ultron has fallen off. So has Wonder Woman, but she's fallen back on the track, and Ultron has fallen off completely. So Team DC wins the whole competition. Well done. Hi, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching my video. Please check out these other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.